Hey, what's up guys, it's Junchin here, and today I'll be reviewing a very awesome keyboard from Armaggeddon, the MKO13R Enterprise. It's blue switch as well. Let's get started. Press start. As last few weeks I have done the review for MKA17 Avenger. Now let's see what does the MKO13R can do. As for me personal, I'm currently using 11R, which is a year old from now. As I can see, there's not much difference in terms of design and function. It's using blue switch too, but there's extra lighting effects profile can be seen in the MKO13R, which MKA11R have lesser lighting effects profile. There's a special made driver for MKO13R which you can download on their official website. There will be total of 18 lighting effects and 5 game lighting profiles and 7 custom profiles. Talk about the body of the MKO13R is pretty slim but not as light as I think, as it's a full-size keyboard with a keypad as well. So not to say it's light but average keyboard weight. Thanks to the Kevlar tech concave keycaps, the details on your keycaps wouldn't fade away easily. There's 3 extra blue switches, a keycap puller and switch puller in MKO13R box. There's a Windows lock key as well to avoid you accidentally press the Windows button key and jump out to the window menu while you are playing games. They are not using braided cable, so don't squeeze it oftenly, and long time pressure with heavy object might break the cable. Behind the keyboard you will see there's a user manual. There will be no hard copy user manual inside the box. I mean, people nowadays, do they really read it? I don't think so. Thanks to this 2 little fella over here to allow you to lift the keyboard and to make your hand a little bit comfy while you're playing games, because to be honest, I really don't like flat keyboards. I prefer those who can lift it up. And that's the review for the brand new Armaggeddon MKO13R Enterprise Edition. Is it the new gaming keyboard I'm going to change later? I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below on what's your thoughts and idea about this keyboard. It's Junchin, let's Q here. Peace out. I'll see you next.